Oh. Ang daming sumasayaw sa likod, may space sila.
Sila ang kaya.
Okay.
Ano, will we?
Sino ang pinaka gustong pumunta dito sa
Sino
stage?
confident? I want a representative. Beanie Frankfurt. Beanie Frankfurt.
Oo.
Ate girl, how do we bring them up? Okay, if you are ever so willing, you guys can go to this side. Dapat memorize nyo yung requirement. With sing. With sing.
Para natin
Sino ba? Meron pa tayo. Tapos ang gagawin natin, let's make this a little friendly competition. Well, Team Morissette and Team Darren.
Okay.
Diba? Sino dito ang pwede ma-represent ng Team Morissette? Sayo na Pantropiko!
So we will divide the venue. Ito ang leader natin for Team Darren.
Ayan, meron na kami. Hello! Ay, sexy ni ate.
Oo.
Kabuk.
Ito na.
Hello, wait lang, bago. Hi, nice to... Sorry, lapot na ako, Jai. Interview muna natin, Darren. Hello, ate girl. What's your name?
Betty May Franco from the Philippines.
Betty May Franco from the Philippines! Dahil yung whistle ko, Dahil. Hello! Ito po si Darren.
Nice to meet
Ayan.
you.
Pero, akin ka! Akin ka! Huwag ka lumapit dyan! Dito tayo! Darren yung sa'yo.
Ayan, what's your name?
Eden.
Hi Eden, how old are you?
Fine.
How old are you? Sorry.
24.
24. Okay. How long have you been here in Germany?
Since birth.
Since birth. Okay. Pero alam mo yung Pantropiko. Okay. Alam niyo yung Pantropiko kahit dito siya pinanganak. Ayan. Ate, ano pong pangalan ninyo?
Dana po. Dana.
Darna. Asan yung superhero? Wow! Ito si Ate Darna.
Dana.
Dana. Okay. Ate Dana, how long have you been here in Germany?
6 years.
6 years. Okay. Since birth.
Samantha Nicole.
Samantha Nicole. How old are you? You look so young and pretty.
11.
11. Do you know the Pantropico dance? Are you ready to dance it with us? Let's go!
Okay.
My pride!
Team Morissette
Oh.
and Team Darren, are you
Yeah.
guys ready for this showdown?
Are you ready?
Okay, so sino mauna?
Kami muna.
Okay, Team Morissette muna.
Bato, pick. Ayaw, ulit.
1, 2, bato.
Hello.
Pick.
Matangin ako sa'yo.
Because, okay, isa pa.
Isa pa. Wala, talo talaga ako. Sige
Okay.
na. Una na kami.
Team Morissette muna.
Hello. Are you ready? Okay, you guys, may pwesto here.
Make pwesto.
Ba't ka-inggit? Meron kami blocking. Ayan. Perfect. Okay, dyan na kayo sa harap. Okay, we are ready. Team Morissette represent! Mana, ako pala yung magmamali-mali. Pero go, laban. Alright, let's do this. Is this from the ano? From the top na po. Are you ready for the
Ayan.
cue?
Ready.
Yung ano lang yung timing. Pero sige, doon na sa ganun.
At ika'y kapili. Kasi biglaan siyang pumapasok eh. Ito na. Sabay
Ikaw,
niyo po
Darren,
kami
kantahin mo.
1, 2, 3. Opo. Okay.
Oh, go Darren.
Ito naman.
Great
Let's
job.
go.
Good job. That was great.
1,
Go
2,
team.
3. Let's go, Team Darren.
Sabay-sabay tayo lahat. Dito sa stage. Okay, showdown. Anong blocking nyo?
Sa gitna na lang sila.
Dito na tayo, di. Harap na natin sila. Yan. That's great.
Okay. Okay.
Ayan, mana. Anak.
Sa harap daw ako nila.
Ha?
Para daw memorize.
Pinakamagaling may prize!
Okay.
Porsche daw! Charot, joke lang. Joke lang. Ako gusto ko. Okay.
Okay.
Ready? Are we ready to showdown? Let's do it!
Alright.
Thank you so much. You guys are...
Yeah.
Lapot dyan. Thank you so much. Wait, bili na sila.
Mag-unanimous
Dahil
decision.
dyan, solo.
Maraming salamat.
One more. Bigyan natin yung spotlight kay Samantha. Dito ka. Let's make Beanie proud. Let's go.
Bini sa mata, everyone.
Thank you.
Alright. Thank you so much.
Sapin mo na lang si TFC sa
Thank you.
susi at car mo.